If you want to download a new app on a Motorola Edge 60 Pro, then you can use the Play Store app, which is an app that is pre-installed on our phone. We can find it, for example, in the app drawer. In my case, it is over here. So we're gonna go here, and this is where we can download new apps. Of course, we can switch between games and apps over here. And if you just scroll down, you should be able to find different apps that you can pretty much immediately install. But if needed, we can also go to categories over here, and we can look for something based on a selected category. If you know the name of the app that you wish to download, then of course we can go to search over here at the bottom. Then we can tap on the search field at the top, and then you can write the name of the app that you wish to install. So let's say I'm gonna write Instagram. There we go. And you should be able to find it pretty easily, so you can tap on it in order to find the install button. And once the app is installed, you should be able to immediately open it from the Play Store, or of course you can go, for example, to the app drawer in order to find it. And that's pretty much it. Thanks for watching, leave a like and subscribe.